What is going on with sunscreen right now? There's this viral TikTok video that says you can get a natural contoured look by applying sunscreen a certain way. But is it safe? With so much out there, I'm not really clear on what sunscreen can and cannot do. The good news, we're going to speak to an incredible New York City dermatologist, Dr. Deval Bonsali, who's going to break it all down.
I am so excited to speak with you and wanted to start things off with this viral TikTok sunscreen contour hack. Can you use sunscreen to get this natural contoured look?
I wanted to like it because the idea of putting on sunscreen and more sunscreen was a good idea in theory. But the problem was you still have to go out in the sun and get extra sun in order to get the right highlight. And anytime somebody's going out into the sun to get better aesthetic, anything usually doesn't end very well. When you get, so let's say, redness after you've been in the sun, those are your cells dying. That means you're getting sun damage. So I unfortunately cannot recommend it. People don't realize that you can get a couple bad sunburns when you're in your 20s and in your 50s and 60s get skin cancers. And you can be diligent afterwards, but all it takes is one or two bad experiences.
What should we look for when we are shopping for sunscreen?
It's more about how well you tolerate it and how well you're going to reapply it and remember to reapply it, right? And so, if it's very greasy and it's just an uncomfortable experience, I don't think patients tend to want to apply it. Whereas if you have something that absorbs quickly, doesn't irritate your skin, and you can kind of keep it readily nearby, the idea of reapplying every 2 hours or, when you're at the beach and you go for a swim, like that's most important to me. And even now, I have a window close by. I have a moisturizer with SPF. I put it on in the morning. I'll probably reapply it because you can get UVA through the windows and people don't realize that actually can contribute to aging. In addition to obviously, the cancer issues that come with UV radiation.
I definitely don't want to age quicker than I need to. I don't want to get wrinkles. Does sunscreen actually help with that?
1000%. So Martha Stewart's a dear friend. I think she's aging better than any human being on earth, if I were to guess. And her number one secret is that she is religious about her sunscreen. And she puts it not only on the face, but on her hands and also on her neck. Because the neck gives away age, at least it tends to. She's outside every single day. She's religious about sunscreen. She reapplies often, and she makes sure I have it on as well whenever I'm with her.
So doctor, to wrap things up, is wearing sunscreen alone enough to stay safe in the sun?
Look, it's a great start, and I will be incredibly happy if you at least use that as your foundation. But there's other things you can do. So number 2, 3, 4, 5. There's obviously you can be in the shade. There's UPF clothing now, which is becoming trendy, which I dig. It's special kind of clothing that can protect you from the sun exposure. I know most people don't love their sunscreen, so the beautiful thing, there's so many options, and the key is just finding one that's right for you.
Alrighty, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it too. I'm Lisa B, and I'll see you soon. Bye.